So I want to talk about a renovation project that isn't expensive, can add value to your home, and of course, enjoyment, which is the most important thing to your house. And if you ever go to sell, it's only going to help. So let's get to it. Before we get started, Steve Gardner with eXp Realty, Greater Daytona Beach area, East Central Florida. If you like this video and my content, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So if you have an outdoor space, a patio or a deck, regardless if you have a pool or not, a lot of times you'll go out there, maybe a wooden deck, maybe track cement, which is great nowadays because it doesn't deteriorate. But most people have a wooden deck, whether it's a large area or small, which is wonderful for outdoor grilling, outdoor space. But the wood nowadays, when you're using wood nowadays, it's not the same as it used to be. They don't treat it as well, so that stuff gets a little dingy. So there's a little more maintenance. So if you've got a back deck that needs a facelift, go ahead and do it. You can pressure spray that, you can stain, you can replace old wood, get that going, and that really will make a difference. What I like to see is a lot of ambient lighting. You'll see these, and LED lights now are really come down in price. So tiki torches, LED lights, lantern type of products. You can even do the rope lighting, outdoor rope lighting, that sort of thing. Kind of border the deck so that that's a great outdoor space. You can use it at night if you're grilling out, you're having a party, or sitting around a fire pit. Wonderful, wonderful idea to use ambient lighting, and you don't have to use that old style spotlight that used to be in the corner of your house and blind everybody. Another great idea is maybe to put maybe some bamboo around the edges of it, whether it's artificial or real, or you could do some lattice or arches. A really, really good plant here in Florida that is beautiful that you could put lattice work on and have grow is it's called Confederate jasmine. It has the little white flower. It's a vine. It'll run right up it, and it's really great. It really accents the deck, makes it nice, and also in the spring, it's got a really fragrant flower like a gardenia. So Confederate jasmine is great, and it's also going to give you some privacy. The other thing you consider if you don't have the monies for this, I always recommend having a HELOC on your house. It's a home equity line of credit. Don't recommend you using it for, taking a cruise or going on vacation, but use your home equity line of credit to upgrade your house, to keep it maintained. That's what it's there for. So, and if most of the time you can get an 80% or 50% of value on that, and that'll give you the funds to do these things. So, I hope some of these ideas were helpful. Once again, if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. And this is Steve Gardner, eXp Realty, Greater Daytona Beach area, East Central Florida. Take care. Bye-bye.